Hello everybody, Jeremy Latham, the hip surgeon here. It's nearly Christmas, just a week to go. Not quite the Christmas many of us would have imagined a year ago, but COVID has been a terrible scourge throughout the world. Let's hope that the new vaccine gives us all hope for the future. Certainly the short-term results seem to be very good, and the vaccine is being rolled out in big numbers in the UK and hopefully around the world as well. Some news about my practice. I'm going to be doing every Monday operating at the Wessex Nuffield Hospital starting in January. January is quite full, but I've got capacity for February. So if you want to have surgery, please do get in touch. I'll be doing clinics next week and the week after between Christmas and New Year. Some other news about my practice. I've been given practicing privileges at the King Edward VII Hospital in London, right in the heart of the West End, not far from Harley Street. It's a wonderful hospital. Did my first case there at the end of last month, saw the patient this week, and she was very happy with the experience there. The staff are lovely, the hospital's got a fantastic atmosphere, and I'm really looking forward to working there. I'll be going up there probably twice a month, doing an operating list and a clinic, and I'll give you more news about that as things pan out in the next few weeks. But certainly very much looking forward to working in London alongside my practice here in Hampshire as well. I hope that you all have a very happy and safe Christmas. Clearly we need to follow the government guidelines about mixing households and all that sort of thing. It's difficult, I know it's going to be difficult for us here at home. We've got family we want to see, but we can't. But we all have to live under the new rules for the time being. Let's hope it's all very different next year. Certainly I'm optimistic about the future, and I hope that you are too. If you've got any questions or you want to say anything, please leave comments below or get in touch through the website. Phone the office. Anne and Tracy are in the office until Christmas Eve, and we'll be there the following week as well. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas and all the best for 2021. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Latham. I'm the hip surgeon.